Hey everyone, in this video I want to showcase 11 tutorials that we did last year and they're all available to Patreon. So if you want to learn a little bit more about the VFX in Unreal Engine and Unity, you might just subscribe to Patreon and you'll get access to all the tutorials I've done so far. So the current library I think starts from March or February 2021. So it's almost 2 years of the library. All right, thank you so much for your support, and I hope you're gonna enjoy the last year showcase.